Some residents say this has been an off and on problem for the better part of a year now, and when you hear the sound, you can understand why they're hoping for some help and for a good night's sleep.
What is this sound?
You're hearing what residents of this neighborhood have been hearing off and on for what they say is too long and too disturbing a time.
It's kind of a, excuse my sound effects, but it almost sounds unnatural. And for that reason, it really gets under your skin.
What is that sound?
You feel like your teeth are about to fall out. You feel like your window panes might shatter. It's really an unnatural sound, and it's unnerving.
That's Mo Hussein, a 5-year resident of Fort Greene, Brooklyn, who's just one of many people who've recorded videos, shared stories on apps like Nextdoor and WhatsApp, and have called 311 about the sound in their neighborhood. We randomly encountered Dawn Louisa, a resident here who didn't want her face shown, who's experienced the same sound.
It's really annoying. It sounds like a headache.
She says she hears it on her block intermittently, day and night.
Just when you think, oh, it's gone, then you're like, wait, do you hear that? Yeah, no, I hear that. It's also problematic because it's so eerie sounding, you know, and so it's difficult to ignore.
I'm a father to a 9-year-old boy, and sometimes it kicks up right at bedtime, and it's just enough to sort of prevent him from going to sleep.
This part of the city has seen a lot of new construction in recent years. Residents suspect that may be related to the sound, but they're looking to the city to help solve the mystery.
We've been sending these notes out, these emails, filling out these web forms.
And when they do,
tough luck. Sorry, we can't help you without more information. So it's very frustrating for us.
The Department of Environmental Protection handles these calls. We contacted them, and through a spokesperson, they said they're sending someone out here as early as next week to meet with complainants and do an inspection. We'll stay on top of this one to see how it goes. Reporting from Fort Greene, Brooklyn, I'm James Ford, Pix 11 News.